What is up, guys? We're here at Hollywood Studios. It's the first time we've been to a Disney park since everything's closed down. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna go have some fun and bring you along with us. So, roll the intro. Boom, Mickey and Minnie's. A ride that we both have not been on yet. A ride that we both have not been on yet, and we want to go on it today. But we're not gonna get in line now because it's like 75 minutes. It's hot. And it's very hot. So we're gonna go do Muppets. So we're in line for Toy Story Mania. We got our glasses. They have these little plexiglass shields. I'm in the worst spot.
Hi.
We have these little plexiglass shields to protect us from both sides, and then the staircase. And the markers that are everywhere. Yeah. Let's see how we do, let's see how we did. How do we do? We out here! We did good, man. I told you to get better than 108. Alright, so we just ate. Oh, there's people. We just ate. We had burgers at Backlot Express.
Yeah, something like that.
Backlot Express. It is really hot outside. So we're waiting now for 2 o'clock to get the return times. Not return time. Boarding group.
Yeah.
Boarding groups. It's the same thing. I want to say it's similar to how Hagrid's works because I've never done it for here. I've never tried. Never been here on time. So we're trying to see right now if you go to virtual queue. I don't know if you can see it that well because it's bright, but it says there's no times right now. You have to come back at 2 o'clock. It's currently 1:55. So I'll get back to you guys at 2 o'clock. So we made an attempt to get the return group for Rise. No luck.
Wait, wrong hand.
No luck. So we're gonna go do something we still haven't done together, which is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Hey, something, am I right? We have to leave something for us to do next time we come here. That's what it is. So we're gonna go do it. About to ride Mickey and Minnie's for the first time. How do you feel?
I'm excited because last time I broke down on this.
Oh.
Over here.
We're here.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited. So we'll catch up with you guys after. I don't want to record when we're on this because it's our first time on it. I want to enjoy the ride, right? Exactly. All right, so if you can hear that, it's thunder. We just got off of Mickey and Minnie's. Honestly,
10 out of 10.
it's the cutest thing I've ever been on. I think that's safe to say about it. Yeah, it's so adorable. I want to go on it again. We just got off of the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Oh well. So we're gonna go ride the Rock and Roller Coaster. Alright, so we just finished Rock and Roller Coaster. And now it's raining. If you can't see on the camera, I think I can see it. I'm not sure.
I can tell from the glasses.
You can tell from my glasses that it's raining. Wear a mask. Just want to say that. Right? Facts. So we're going to pick the next thing to do because why not?
I'm going into the store, remember?
Hey, we're gonna go in the store, see if they have some ears. So we're gonna check out some ears together. We've never done this, so let's do it. So these are the ears that caught our attention. How much are they?
There's no price.
Okay.
They're not free. I'm just gonna pay for this stuff. Okay. Oh, so cute. And these are cute too. Pride.
So of course the ones that we thought were cute were the ones that we purchased. They were around 22 with the annual pass holder discount, so not that bad. I'd say for ears.
They're pool floaties.
We need them because it's raining, we might drown. Alright, we're gonna go do this little like Mickey photo op from like the Mickey Mouse shorts now. And we're gonna take you guys with us because we have nothing else to do because it's pouring rain.
Let's go.
You wanna go to Potato Land?
Is that over there?
Yeah, it's over there. Potato Land's over there.
Oh, okay.
Now, what's the star attraction at Potato Land?
What?
What's the star attraction at Potato Land?
A potato?
A potato. Be one with the potato.
What? What did you say?
So we have purchased the Coca-Cola that is from space. This is intergalactic Coca-Cola. It's just Coca-Cola. And
I wonder if they have Coke Zero. Because I saw someone had Diet Coke.
I think they do. I think they do. Guys, she drinks Coke Zero.
That is, I can't say that word. It's my favorite soda. I'm not gonna say the other word. There's children watching.
Now we're going to ride the Falcon. I'm coming right now. I am recording you. I see your hand. Are you trying to bring everyone with you? Alright, let's go to the Falcon, guys.
The flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the
We're both flying. We're both pilots.
You will be intercepted.
I'm up and down and you're left and right.
Shipment of Coaxium. Will heard the first order and made you proud.
Yo, this man didn't want to shoot anything.
Modest profit. Your gun.
How much did we make?
What you owe me for damaging the Falcon is. Oh, that is rough.
Your fault.
We did terrible.
All right, damage level. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Time for you to go.
There we are.
Don't worry, the payment is my
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to destroy the ship, okay? As you can see, we did not do well. Our gunners did not do good. Our engineers did not help us. But it's okay. We'll do better next time. Alright guys, we got some blue milk. This one's for me. Lexi got the Coke, I got the blue milk.
Gone.
Coke's gone. So I'm gonna drink some blue milk now.
Alcohol.
Yeah, it has alcohol. Yeah. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we finished our blue milk and now we're going to ride Alien Swirling Saucers. Surprisingly, this is probably one of my favorite rides here. Last time we went on it, I had a lot of fun. So we're gonna ride it and just enjoy it. Woo! Just got off, am I recording? Yeah, so 3, 2, 1. Just got off of Swirling Saucers. That ride is honestly so much fun. Like,
It's so good.
people just don't want to ride it because I guess it's because like it's a flat ride. It's not your typical flat ride though. Like me, I don't like the teacups.
I love teacups.
They're cool to ride,
Spin me around.
but that's not my cup of tea. This, you have the music, you have this, you're getting whipped around. It's like, I love it. It's so like aggressive. Ah, one more ride. Slinky Dog Dash.
Let's go.
Hang on. And we finished Slinky Dog. She has her Mickey Premium bar. Show it off. Okay. I'm like, show it off for the viewers. He's missing an ear.
So good.
So good.
One bite.
We need to be stationary when we eat.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mickey Minnie.
Sure you can go there, all right.
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, Excellent. You're all melting so beautifully together. Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guidance tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so broken. Finally made it. We've had one crazy ride. Now with you by my side, the stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us now.
Alright guys, and that'll do it for us here. We did Tower of Terror twice, Rock and Roller Coaster twice, Mickey and Minnie's 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That ride's great. That ride's amazing. You guys need to come to this park. I completely felt safe here. Like,
Yeah.
come to a theme park. Go to a theme park. But if you're gonna go to a theme park, wear a mask, wash your hands, social distance. Exactly.
And make sure you are stationed while you're eating and drinking actively. Follow
Exactly.
those Disney guidelines.
Exactly, guys. And with all that being said, like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below some things you guys want to see us do, because, you know, Horror Nights got canceled. So it's sad, it hurts, but what do you guys want to see from us? Because we'll bring you the content. We'll try to, at least. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And stay excellent, my dudes.